Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So, a couple more amps here, more over to the side. So, I have a TL922 that needs a band switch over there. I'm waiting on the band switch. So, today I'm working on an Al-80b, needs SO239 connectors. I'll change those, needs the gas discharge tubes installed at the base of the socket. I'm going to go over the rest of it, clean all the relay contacts, the input and output rotary switches. It's getting a brand new Penta tube. Awesome company, great customer service. Had a old Chinese tube in it, brown base, a lot of hours. He said it was low output. So I'm a Penta distributor, so he's getting my dealer price. I don't mark the price up at all. Customer buys them direct and has the tube or tubes drop shipped here, so I can test their tube and their amplifier, make sure there's nothing wrong with the tube, which never is, but I'm very thorough. I just want to make sure. So I'm gonna get to work and I'll see you guys soon. I went in here and messed with the tap jumpers. There's like a solder glob right here. I'll clean these up, and someone also messed with the jumper over here. It's wired for 115. Nobody has 115. Everyone has at least 120 something. A lot of people have, beyond 126, so you want to go from E to 1 and F to 2 for 125 volt operation. So I'll redo that, and I'll be back. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. I'll go over everything I did real quick. Cleaned out, it was like tar, nicotine tar or something over here with denatured alcohol. Those were here on the board, side, back there, back wall. Got a bunch of it out. Added gas discharge tubes at the base of the socket. Grounded the grids right to the chassis with these tabs and 632 screws with kept nuts. Cleaned the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Output rotary / band switch with deoxit gold. Tightened up on the kept nuts that hold the air variable capacitors in. Tightened up on other hardware. Clean the TR / bias relay with deoxit gold. Change the SO239 connectors. Clean the soft start relay with deoxit gold. So fixed the taps over here. This is the buck boost portion. So houses here in the United States usually have at least 125 volts. So by having it go to E to F, it wasn't using the buck boost. It was just going through. So it was on the 115 volt setting. So that means the plate was running higher and the filament voltage was higher. So that means tube life suffered and bleeders ran hotter and just more likely of having a flashover on the plate tune cap. And people do that. I've seen people do it to try to squeeze a little bit more power out. It's not worth it. Even if you doubled your output, it's only half an S unit. It's just not worth it. Please don't do it. Okay, so tighten up on hardware over here. It's got a brand new Penta 3500Z, awesome company. Tested full output on all bands. So this thing's all set. So please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have an amplifier you want to send in for repair, feel free to give me a call. An AL572 next. Actually, I might do an AL811H next. So this one, I won't even get into that. But same thing with the buck boost on that one. So thanks for watching. Once again, website is amprepairguy.com, and my phone number is 203-892-4119. And I wanted to point out this is a double-sided board, so I made sure I soldered it really well on the top and the bottom. So, okay, thanks for watching. 73.